All right, you guys, it's been a long one. Ooh. First of all, I want to give a shout out to all my Africans braiding hair, because this right here is hard AF, okay? I had to pour me something to drink. No, it's not a drink. It's actually pear juice with some water. But this is outrageous. I've probably been braiding for like an hour because, you know, my ass can't braid. But practice makes perfect, right? So who cares? All right. Bye. Hey guys and gals, what's going on? It's your girl Shareen Nicole. You already know. So, as you can see from the beginning clip, clearly it was a long one. Like, braiding, I can't even say anything about it. But first, before I get started, I do want to give a big shout out to Mary Kay Bella. This is the person that I seen on YouTube who had this technique. Granted, I didn't do it perfect, but guys, this is my first time doing this install. I think I did pretty well for my first time, so don't judge me. And yes, it would have helped if my roots were not red and they actually matched the hair color. Then you probably wouldn't see all the little mistakes here and there or whatever, but overall, I think I did really good. So big shout out to Mary Kay Bella. Thank you, girl. Love you, boo. You guys go check her out and make sure you watch her videos. She's really good on braiding. I mean, her skills is on point. But we're going to get right into this. So, guys, this is what's going on with my hair right now. Exactly. So, I'm just showing you guys the braid pattern. I tried my best. I can't see in the back of my head. When I tell you braiding is the hardest thing on your own damn head, it's the hardest thing. For real, for real. If I had to save a life by braiding hair, you'd be dead. Hair. Oh my God. All right. Take two. I know what you're thinking, guys. Yes, I did get the crochet needle stuck in my head. Yes, I did. And now I'm going to go ahead and loop this before I even put it in my head. Totally wrong, but keep watching, guys. Just keep watching.